Okay, this is a lot easier to do. It's a lot easier to film when I have these headphones on because I can hear myself. So it doesn't feel as weird. It feels like I'm actually like talking to someone because I guess I'm like talking to myself. But I digress. I'm keeping the headphones on for as long as I need it. Hopefully I can get more comfortable with this as we go. But for now, headphones stay on. I have been wanting to do this for a very long time. I've been wanting to start a channel. I don't know what for or what I'm gonna put on it, but I know that I want to actually, I don't know. I have no idea. I don't know what I want to do. The main thing that I wanted to do was to just teach what I know, share some of the knowledge that I have to help anybody who's looking to create. So I do photography, I do a bit of graphic design, I do a bit of motion design. I try to mix it up a little bit. I will share what I know. I'm not an expert in anything that I do, but I feel like I know enough that I can teach a little bit. So I'm gonna teach, I'm gonna try. Wow, this is actually a lot easier with these headphones. The other takes that I was doing were really bad. But now that I can kind of hear myself in my head out loud, it's good. I can deal with this. When I take it off, it's just, it's really awkward. I want to do some like tutorial style videos, I guess, where I kind of break down how I get a shot or how I edit, kind of like the thought process, even though typically there isn't a thought process. Just like general advice of things that I've learned or tips of how I work at weddings. This is the place where all the secrets will be revealed. So yeah, I really want to try doing this without the headphones. So, wow, that is really weird. Okay, so for anybody who knows me very well, I don't even think you have to know me that well to know how awkward I get in front of the camera. I like seize up a little bit. I don't know what to do. Like it just gets like really weird. So yeah, this is what this looks like. I'm doing all right without the headphones. We don't need the headphones. Yeah, I have 3 dogs. You're gonna see a lot of pictures of dogs, but actually, you know what? Let me get the dogs. Let's see the dogs. First off, we have Charles. Say hi, Charles. Doggo number 2. Oh, his little bandana's getting in his face there. Up. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Here's Lena. Say hi. Say hi fast. Oh my gosh, she's heavy. Those are the dogs. You'll see lots of pictures of the dogs, probably tutorials of lighting and other photography stuff. Probably tutorials of photography will probably be with the dogs because my wife, Cynthia, is sick of me testing my equipment on her. She supports me 100%. She's just sick of me. So like, she's not mean. She's just like, I'm pretty annoying. So I just wanted to get this video out there. Just getting that first video out there was the hardest step. Wow, I'm still out of breath from lifting Lena. You know when you lift with your back instead of your legs? I was saying that I'm just trying it out. I'm gonna see how it works. I'm gonna see if I can even be consistent with it. But I'm hoping that it's entertaining as well as educational, because those are the 2 cool things that you can put together. There's a lot cooler things you can put together, but those 2 things together are pretty cool too. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna teach and I'm gonna hopefully make it fun. If you have any suggestions or if you have any questions about things that you want videos of, please just leave it in the comments. And yeah, I appreciate your time. I appreciate your support. I appreciate everything, you know? Have fun at home, video chat people, reach out to loved ones, reach out to people living alone, and just be home right now, because that's the most important thing. Be home, stop the spread, have fun, and I will see you next time if there is a next time. Bye. Oh, and I meant if there is a next time, like if there's a next video, just in case that sounded like kind of morbid. So yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.